Hello, my name is Ara Tahmosevifar. This is my video presentation for Assignment 2 covering decision trees and data analysis with pandas. I will start with part A. Here is the block 1 we have. So the goal here was to find a data set online and use a decision tree model to predict COVID-19 cases. First, I imported the necessary libraries like pandas for data handling and scikit-learn for the machine learning model. I found a data set called COVID data, which contains symptoms and test results. I loaded the CSV file and cleaned it by ensuring we are only using numeric columns, as the decision tree classifier requires numerical input. A very important step here is the train test split. I use train test split to divide my data, keeping 30% of the data hidden as a test set. I did this because we need to evaluate the model on data it has never seen before, to ensure it isn't just memorizing the answers, like I think which is called overfitting. So I trained the model and calculated the accuracy score, which you can see printed here. So here is the calculated accuracy and here is printed. So let's go to the block 2, the part B. So the raw data was messy, so I had to perform several data cleaning steps. First, the instruction asked to delete the model column. I used drop with in places true. I used in places true so that the change happens directly to the data frame without needing to create a new copy. So next, I had to fix the cost column. Originally, Python read this as text because it contained brackets and dollar signs. So I used string replacement functions to remove the brackets and these dollar symbols. So once they were removed, I converted the column to integers, so I could perform mathematical calculation on them. So as you can see here, so yeah, it's kind of long. Okay. So here is the block 3 we have, the continue of the part B. So once the data was clean, I performed some analysis. So I calculate the average cost total and then use the group by function to calculate the average cost per continent. So this helps us compare pricing across different regions. So let's go here. Where is it? Okay. So to visualize this, I plotted a bar chart. As you can see, this makes it very easy to identify which continent have the highest average cost compared to others. I also counted the frequency of each continent and checked for unique values to understand the distribution of our data. Okay, so here is the histogram of the cost column. The instruction asked for 50 beans. I chose a histogram because it shows the distribution of prices, whether most items are cheap, expensive, or spread out evenly. Okay, so here is the missing value. So finally, I handled the missing data, or we can say null values. I first checked which columns had missing data using is null sum. For the type column, I decided not to delete the rows. Instead, I filled the missing values with XXX. I did this because the type column might still have valuable information in other columns, so I wanted to preserve those rows. However, for the remaining missing values, I used dropna to remove those rows completely, ensuring the rest of our statics are accurate. Okay. To finish, I use the describe function. This gives us the statistical summary like count, mean, mean, mine, and max for the whole data set. I also sorted the data by count, frequency, and then alphabetically as requested in the instructions. And yes, this concludes my presentation, and thank you so much for watching.